The Zucker Building here in Charleston provides a wonderful opportunity for working professionals to actually come and participate in live classroom experience, particularly related to cybersecurity. Some of the courses will be taught by an instructor that's based here in Charleston, and we'll stream that class up to the main campus so the students on main campus can also participate. We also have a number of instructors located on the main campus, and then when they provide their lectures, we'll stream those down here to Charleston. It's a two-way live interactive video, and you get the opportunity to have discussions with other students in the class and with the faculty member. The cybersecurity programs that we have here in Charleston allow students to pursue research-oriented master's degrees. This is really going to help a student develop a career where you're looking at designing next-generation systems and being able to incorporate the latest ideas in cybersecurity into the design of these new systems.